啊，龙舟要不要起的节日，人媳妇不可能。
This is Wenzhou's unique local custom, Changlong. Wenzhou people place their aspirations for a better life onto the dragon boat racing, hoping that it could bring local people prosperity and well-being. Every Dragon Boat festival, countless Wenzhou people from all over the world gather in their hometown. Each village organizes a Dragon Boat team. They cherish this hard-won reunion opportunity and do their best to win honors. According to historical records, Wenzhou Dragon Boat race originated when King Goujian of Yue trained his sailors, so both sides of the race would do their best and fight to be the first in order to achieve victory. As the local saying goes, come to Wenzhou if you want to watch a Dragon Boat race. The Dragon Boat chasing each other on the river echoed the cheers and the shouts of the people on the bank, making the race even more intense, showing the strong sense of competition and martial spirit of Wenzhou people. Wenzhou Dragon Boat Race also has a strong folklore. It's not only a speed race, but also a contest of decorations, and the flag bearer, and the richness of the offerings and the wit of the Changlong singer will also be noted.
到划龙舟季节，他们都要回过来划龙舟，大家吃在一起，坐在一条船上。汪州人有句说了：“同心同点。”一只船40几个人，就是一条心。
Again, my hands grip the paddle tightly. All my strength surges into 2 arms. Every Dragon Boat player is in the same posture. We are just waiting for the command.
This is not the first time I have paddled a Dragon Boat, but the rousing drums and the tested cooperation of the team always make my blood boil. I think this is the charm of Dragon Boat racing.
The Dragon Boat event of Hangzhou Asian Games will soon be held in Wenzhou, which provides a new opportunity for Dragon Boat racing to go further. I believe that by virtue of the promotion of Hangzhou Asian Games, more and more people know and love Wenzhou's Dragon Boat culture.